Oh my God. Seriously, buddy? I turned away for a second. Babe! Pretty cool. We got a bike path that goes all the way up and down the valley like 100 miles. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Don't know what I should film and what I shouldn't, but... Hi. How are you? Okay. I'm gonna get the stuff ready for the... I'm gonna get... No, I got it. Got a guy coming to pick up a skid steer attachment. Huh? What? What about Vlad? He can at some point, whatever. Yeah. So, got that AC on right away. Woohoo, buddy. Okay. I'm learning my machine here. I always forget to do that, but still getting used to the tracks. It does run different. I gotta get this here thing laid down. And I think the only way to do that is to pull it over. So, it's too heavy to pick up. Well, that was pretty easy. I like that. Okay. Let's get rid of this bucket. I don't want to block my pickup. Yeah, I do. I gotta put this somewhere else. Look how easy it is to, you do this, and you do this. Little pins come right up. Oh, if you put that, it'll go back down. It's pretty easy. Vlad! Hi! Whoa! Whoa! What are you doing? You coming in? You gonna work? You gonna work? Okay. He thinks he's driving the tractor. He likes to sit in the driver's seat when I'm not in it. Don't you, bud? Okay, moving number 642. Oh, buddy. You gotta hold on. Hold on. You gotta hold on. Hold on. Jeez. I'm not even gonna bolt this on because I'm not doing nothing with it. But we are gonna do some stuff at my dad's. We're gonna make a pond, actually. Good job holding on. I can't get it by the trash. I'm gonna put it right here. This guy ain't here yet. He's buying a Brush Hawg. So while I'm waiting for him, I'm gonna spin this here bucket out where I can get at it and load up some trash. enclosed cab for when the garbage falls back on top of you. I don't like it for worrying. Oh my. It was not connected. Oh boy. Well, that'll be fun. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, that's so funny. It's not funny, actually. I thought I was on, man. Them things went down. It looked like it. Look, they're still locked. They're just not locked on to nothing. Okay. So, learning to use the new skid steer. You know, honestly, in my mind, I did think, doesn't really look like it's on there. Oh, it's not funny. No, I gotta get a chain. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll tell you, running the, come on now, bud. Running the tracked skid steer is different. This thing has a lot of room. Now that's loaded on there. I gotta get a chain or something. That's what I did there. What do you think, buddy? Sold, Brush Hawg. Used to doing a key. Okay, what do you think, buddy? What do you think, buddy? I'm like, I don't want to get out. You don't want to get out, do you? You're like, no. You want to drive. Like, I want to drive. Oh, God. My knees. Hey. Now let's go see what we messed up. Yeah. Let's go see what Daddy broke. Uh-ohs. Uh-ohs. That's great. God damn it. Oh my God. Seriously, buddy? I turned away for a second. Babe! I need help. You? I can't believe you. You got your phone? Well, I turned away for like 30 seconds. No, I just turned away for 30 seconds. He climbed it by himself. That's not good. I turned around.
Wanted me to take a picture?
He's like, dude, yeah.
Keep him stay.
Here. I turned away for 1 second, and the kid climbed the ladder after me. He doesn't want to hold my hand, and he doesn't want to be told what to do. Now he wants to climb down the ladder on his own. So, I don't know. Okay. Well, what's that? You gotta watch this kid.
Yeah.
Can you climb down on your own? You're gonna have to stop this climbing thing, bud. Whoa!
Yeah, that was really scary.
I heard duh, and I turned around like, whoa! Because I was on this.
Yeah.
Well, he must know that it'll fit then. Okay. I'll talk to you in a while. Bye. How's it going? I just thought it was about 11 o'clock. I went in to get my phone, and then I come out and seen you.
Yep. Oh, it was unlocked.
It's a Brush Hawg. It's a Brush Hawg, right? Yeah. Okay, get him loaded up. A new pump. So here's the Brush Hawg on the skid steer. I'm letting him load himself. I ain't loading it in the back of the pickup. It's a short bed. This ought to be interesting. Not going to be my responsibility. Loading. See, I'll get a thumbnail of that and that. Danger. Stay back. I'll let you load it. I'll tell you what. I can handle driving that thing and running that thing, but all the new electrical gadgets in it, oh my God. It took me an hour to learn how to unhook buckets. What are you gonna do? You gonna set it on this? That'll work.
I came over and got one once before.
That's what he was saying.
The second one got me.
Well, I'm kind of ticked because now we don't got one. He says he's bringing another one up.
Oh.
Got to use the tiller for the garden. It's cool having those little attachments, man.
What do you want for the tillers?
I am not sure.
Message back and tell me what all he had.
You know, I'll get a list out of him. I got this stuff, and then we've got about 8 more on the way up. I know we just got a post pounder.
Oh, you got a post auger.
Yeah, and a whacker.
I've been looking for an auger too, but yeah, you never did shoot me a list of what he had.
We're very unorganized.
Thought he'd cut me a little better deal since the second I bought too. But that was no such.
You know, what he's at on them is, for you, is cheaper than what he's been getting.
Oh,
By a bit. 27, 26 is the lowest I've really seen.
Sold me the first one for 24, and this one's 20.
He said well, and you're punctual too, man. You hear, I just thought, oh man, it's 11, and boom, there you were. Let me grab a paper, and I need to get the 2400.
Yeah, I got cash.
And I'll get you a bill of sale type thing. Where are you from?
Pewterville.
Where's that by?
Cottonwood, Grangeville.
Up over.
Over Lolo, past. We're like an hour and a half
Is
past.
the fires almost out up there? My buddy went through there and it was closed like about a week ago or so. Okay.
Better be right. The bank counted out.
Yeah.
You've been telling people when they get these they don't have oil in here.
What?
When you get these, there's no oil in this gearbox. You have to take this cover off.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Okay.
I told them last time.
Well, that's nice to know. I did not know that.
Yep. You have to take it and put oil in it because there's the hydraulic oil just runs the pump, but there's a gearbox in here. It takes 90 weight and there's no oil.
I'll tell you what.
It's like the fourth one I bought and they don't have oil in it.
That is good for me to know.
We'll have to figure out how to do the quick detach.
It's just a knob for on.
Is it?
Right
This
there.
thing's brand new.
It's brand new. It still smells new. That one, you just turn it all the way.
To start it?
Yep.
But how do you unhook the attachment?
When you get ready to, and in fact, I just noticed that one's not in all the way. So
Oh, okay.
either be careful loading or unattach. You hit the unlock button up here,
Oh, the unlock.
and then you push that thing to the left, the one in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Or to the right, excuse me.
I'm gonna unhook it out here before I set it on there.
Cool. Thing's quiet. Oh. There's a little button there that says push to operate on the side stick. Right down from the start button. You gotta push it though. The button right there says push to operate. Yep. Safety, it says. You gotta keep it pushed while you do it. And it's out. Get a picture of that for a thumbnail. I just had one come off. They're out. They're out. Well, that's that. That's quick, easy, painless. Yeah, you get trapped in there. The one on the other side. I don't think I'll ever learn how to run this thing. Once you get into that little computer screen and start figuring, oh my God.
See, and I'm used to ISO controls. I'm used to driving and turning with this hand.
Oh, you can switch it. Yeah, you got to hold it down for 3 seconds.
do you?
Actually, it switched to that. I didn't know what I was doing, man.
Man, once you get used to running it that way, it's way faster.
It seemed to be pretty smooth on the ground that way too.
Yeah.
It didn't really tear it up, but it just shot to the left on me when I hit the stick.
Yeah.
I'll get a bill sale type thing for you.